Check out this 2007 GMC Yukon XL Denali DNLI. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features included all-wheel drive, tow hooks, traction control, stability control, air suspension, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.